Kenyan President William Ruto announced that he has held a phone conversation with U.S. President-elect Donald J. Trump, congratulating him on his election as the 47th President of the United States. Ruto expressed optimism about strengthening ties between Kenya and the United States under Trump's leadership. In his statement, President Ruto highlighted key areas where cooperation could be mutually beneficial, such as trade, investment, security, and governance. We discussed areas of mutual interest that are of benefit to the citizens of our two countries, including trade and investment, security, and good governance, Ruto said, underscoring the strong partnership Kenya seeks to maintain with the United States. During their conversation, Ruto also briefed Trump on the Kenya-led Multinational Security Support Mission, MSS, in Haiti, which aims to stabilize the Caribbean nation amid ongoing gang violence and social unrest. The Kenyan president emphasized potential collaboration with the incoming U.S. administration on this critical peacekeeping and conflict resolution effort. The MSS mission, composed of Kenyan police officers, has faced operational challenges, and support from a key ally like the United States could significantly boost its effectiveness. President Ruto's engagement with President-elect Trump comes at a time of significant global shifts and underscores Kenya's proactive approach to international relations. The congratulatory call and detailed discussions on shared interests reflect Ruto's aim to ensure that Kenya remains a key player on the global stage. His mention of trade and investment aligns with Trump's known focus on economic partnerships, potentially paving the way for deeper economic collaboration. However, the success of this engagement largely depends on how Trump's foreign policy priorities evolve, especially given his past approach to Africa. In his previous term from 2017 to 2021, Trump's administration focused on America First policies and often appeared disengaged from African affairs, prompting concerns over reduced U.S. influence on the continent. Ruto's effort to highlight strategic areas like investment and security may be a calculated move to align Kenya's interests with Trump's economic vision. The conversation about the Haiti mission could also be a strategic attempt to secure continued American support for Kenya's international peacekeeping endeavors. With the Biden administration having been a strong advocate for the mission, there are uncertainties about whether the Trump administration will sustain or even expand this support. Ruto's briefing suggests a diplomatic push to keep Kenya's efforts in Haiti on the U.S. radar. Observers are curious to see how Trump's return to the White House will influence Kenya-U.S. relations. Will the new administration support Ruto's regional initiatives and boost investment ties, or will it take a more inward-looking approach? Additionally, Trump's past skepticism of global engagement could present challenges for Ruto's hopes of international cooperation. President Ruto's engagement with Trump is a crucial first step in establishing a productive relationship. Still, much depends on how both leaders navigate issues of mutual interest. As the world watches, Kenya is positioning itself as a willing partner, prepared to collaborate on critical matters of trade, investment, and security. The coming months will reveal whether this strategic outreach bears fruit.